another battle of Intramuros-based schools here in the NCAA. Set number 1 begins. You guys have Martin Javier with Melissa Gohing Nasino taking care of the coverage here along with our courtside reporter. Nandyan mamaya mapapakinggan natin si Aliyah Fideliaga. But LPU right now 6-6 here in the season. You mentioned, Mel, earlier, 5-game winning streak. Letran, of course, immaculate at the top right now.
Yeah, and even the Lady Pirates too, on a roll din sila with a 4-match winning streak. Kaya tong dalawang kupon na to, for sure ayaw nila maputol yung winning streak nila.
Yeah. Oh, put down right away. Yan yung sinabi ko kanina. Diyan nagsastruggle si Judel in the first few games of the second round. Now, she starts us off with the scoring.
Yeah, maganda na yung adjustment niya during the second round. Kaya may kita natin more actions from her and more leadership too.
They have so many weapons on this squad. All right. Oh, hold on. Gia starting. Nandito si Makilang. Si Martin ang off the bench today. Hindi, si yung Martin nandito rin. Hold on. So it's Sari who is coming off the bench. Their super rookie and the league's leading scorer, Vanessa Sari, will come off the bench today. All right. 1-1. Oh, Gia Makilang flies in for the kill.
Gia Makilang.
And she's looking more and more comfortable on the court.
Yeah, they've been targeting that corner spot where the setter is. And alam nila, one of the strengths ng Lady Pirates, yung magaling nila na setter. Yung veteran nila na setter.
2-1 is the tally here. This is Ming Puzon. One motion quick will not drop for LPU. Judel. Muchilias approaching. Netura outside.
Attack goes out.
So 2 apiece here. Okay, pag-usapan natin yung dalawang teams natin. If you're LPU, what do you need to do to break this Letran team?
Now serving for LPU.
Kailangan nila i-match din yung offense nila and lessen yung errors nila kasi error heavy din itong team na to. Kaya kailangan nila maging more consistent. And kapag heavy sa offense yung kalaban nila, kailangan nila galingan yung net defense nila. Kayo na. We just saw. Look at that. Back quick and single blocker. Dapat talaga double blockers pagdating sa mga ganyang malalakas na spiker. And yung mga quick attacks din. Double block dapat dyan.
Walang tao sa harap ni Royce De La Cruz. This one will
Service goes out.
go long for De La Cruz. So LPU is going toe-to-toe with the Letran Lady Knights. A couple of points ang ibinigay dito ng Letran off their errors. One off an attack and one off a serve. If you're Letran, you know, you're facing a hot team like this, is there any form of intimidation ng konti? O talagang dapat ikaw kumpiyansa kasi number 1 ka coming in?
Yes, iba talaga yung kumpiyansa pag nasa top seed ka rin ng team standings. Pero syempre, you have to respect your opponent kasi hindi mo alam, it might be a good day for them. Like, just like what we covered yung last na game against Makua and AU. Kailangan talaga respect your opponent all the time and do your best and then just stay dun sa system nila.
Oh yeah, that was an epic game between Mapua and Arellano. Kala natin Mapua na yun sa 4th set. Kinayod ng Arellano Lady Chiefs. Oh, scramble. Ming goes to the other side. So Netura scores her 2nd point.
Netura has been on a roll, targeting all of the corners, mapa-cross court, down the line, and even the middle.
So Judel will start here. Sharp serve. Falls on the line. So Judel with 2 straight points.
5-34.
Puzon. Muchilias catching the back line as well.
Palitan yung puntos pang, is this a 5-setter game?
Oh! What a declaration. Hindi pala. Para, ano yun, suggestion ni Mel. Pwede naman. Si Mochilias ang pumalit kay Jaja Tulang. Of course, Tulang injured her arm a couple of games ago against JRU as Estrelier. She had the presence of mind to put that ball down.
Great read there by Estrelier. Look at that 1-2 play, great timing. And targeting the middle, and no one was there.
And not Estrelier, primary setter for Letran, much improved as well. Ooh, Yan Martin.
Service
High
save.
risk, high reward on that jump serve.
Yes. Bit of miscommunication there by the libero.
7.
And Yan Martin, this is a good two-way player for Coach O. In some games, off the bench siya. 2 straight games now, she has started for Letran. Dolorito. Estrelier to Gia Makilang.
Gia
8-5 is the tally. Letran brings us to our first technical timeout. Pagbalik po natin, papakinggan natin ang unang report ni
First
Alia
technical
Fideliaga.
timeout of the set.
Kilalang-kilala ngayon si Carlos Yulo sa kanyang double gold sa Paris. Pero alam nyo ba na mayroon nang naunang Carlos na naglaro sa Olympics na tubong NCAA? Siya'y walang iba kundi si Carlos Caloy Loizaga na nagpa-champion sa San Beda Red Lions ng 3 beses noong 1950s. Lumahok si Loizaga ng 2 beses sa Olympics, pati na rin sa Asian Games, FIBA Asia at FIBA World Championships kung saan nagkamit siya ng maraming gintong medalya. Sa taong
Season 100 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Martin and Melissa, let's talk about the 2 women who are leading the charge. For the reigning best libero and the season's top digger, Lara Silva, it's all about digging deep both literally and figuratively. Paano ba ako makakatulong sa team? That's the question that fuels her drive to stay dedicated in training and motivates her to make an impact every game. Across the net, 2-time best setter Venice Puzon is setting the standard of excellence by being consistent and instilling a fighting spirit within the Lady Pirates. Team captains like Lara and Venice show us that great leadership is not just about playing your best, but making everyone around you better. With both teams winning streaks at stake, the question is, who will lead their team to victory today? Back to you, Martin and Melissa.
Thank you, Aliyah. 2 leaders from both sides and 2 awardees here in the NCAA. That's Lara May Silva and Venice Puzon. Top of their game right now. LPU retaliates after the second technical timeout. What are your thoughts on, the message of those leaders para dito sa magkabilang panig natin?
Yes, you got Lara Silva as a defensive anchor ng Letran. Kaya naman, ang daming nata-transition to offense sa side nila palagi. Makikita mo sa stats nila, every game ang taas, double digits din yung mga spikers nila. Malaking bagay na may depensa yung isang team. And for the side of the Lady Pirates naman, pag magaling yung setup mo, expect mo talaga na ang gaganda din ng plays mo. Pero yung challenge nila ngayon, they're going up against a team na heavy sa offense, na sobrang strength yung offense. So now, kailangan nila galingan yung defense nila para mag-transition ni Venice as the best, or one of the best setters na magaganda yung mga plays.
And that's right on cue. Pero itong depensa na to, nasa net. Ni Romeo Sada denying Gia Makilang. And just to give you a stat, para dito kay Lara May Silva, if she continues this, she is poised to win her second straight award. That's Gia Makilang, pinabawi agad, down the line hit. Lara May is number 1 in digging and number 2 in receiving right now.
Serving now for the Lady
Gia
Pirates,
Makilang has been targeting that down the line. And nakikita ngayon ng Letran, yung weakness nila is yung zone 1. And they've been targeting that zone since the start of the game.
3 points now for Makilang. Joan Doguna. And that's what she can do.
Joan Doguna using the hands of the blockers para sa check-out ball, para sure point.
Master of the checkout itong si Joan Doguna. Okay, sabi sa akin ni Coach Crom, they didn't have Venice and Joan in their first 3 games in the season. So, that's where the struggles actually started for them. Kaya it took them a while to get their groove, get their rhythm as a team. So now they are complete.
Yan, iba talaga when you start from yung hindi kompleto yung team. So, and malaking bagay yung tatlong losses na yun sa team, pagdating sa team standings. So, tingnan natin kung kakayurin nila para mapunta sila sa top 4 spot para ng team standings.
Number 1 serving team in the league, Letran Lady Knights, unleashing heavy serves, another ace, but that one came from Estrelier. Meantime, Nietura, another one for Judel.
Great cross-court hit by Nietura. Iba
So,
yung power ng mga palo ni Nietura
Oo.
today.
Maganda gising ni Judel, ano? Oh, nice save. De La Cruz with a better reaction at the net.
Great read there by Royce De La Cruz. And very, din yung mga ganyang klaseng bola. Kasi pag minsan, sobrang nangingigas sila, so over yun.
Yeah. Kasi sinalpa na lang yun ni Daguna. Ito si Coach Cromwell.
Yung tinatrabaho natin, kahit sinong pumalo dyan sa dalawa, okay, dito natin sasaraduhan. Okay? Ayan na mismo. Yan. Ha? Oh, one stop. Kailangan makapulot tayo sa bola. Atake, attack hard.
Hey! May receive na kayo na! Galang, galang! Water yan ka, water yan.
Okay, Coach Crum is trying to address their defense, especially in stopping Nietura and Makilang, who both have 4 points dito sa ating first set net.
Yes, and we've talked about a while ago na kailangan talaga tibayan yung depensa ng Lady Pirates kung if they're up against a team na heavy yung offense.
Yeah.
And
This-
yung niremind sa kanila Coach Crum kanina na depensa tapos opensa din. Kailangan din nila umopensa para magkapunto sila. And a bit of a slow start from the side of the Lady Pirates right now with Lady Knights na may 4-point lead.
Now serving.
Joan Duguna,
Denise Puzon.
2 off-the-block hits. So LPU. Dennis Puzon will serve. Very good server. And that's the result. An ace at the first one for LPU. And this is usually the trend in sets for LPU. When Venice serves, they get a string of points.
Yes, and they need to utilize this momentum na habang nasa service line si Venice.
Oo, kita mo. Faulty first ball there. Kagawa ng paraan ni Gia. A chance for LPU Daguna. Right behind was Martin. Judel again! How about these cut shots from Nietura?
The Lady Pirates has been struggling with that sharp cross-court hit by Judel. Nakailang beses na sila dyan sa zone 1 na they've been targeting that spot for a while now. And the Lady Pirates needs to adjust kasi kundi patuloy na ita-target niya ni Judel knowing na I think it's a good day for her.
Yeah. 5 puntos na para kay Judel Nietura. And Gia Makilang commits the service error, so that will be a breather for LPU. Nandito na si Joan Duguna. Oh, powerful serve as well. Martin. Oh, she puts it down. Yen Martin. It's her turn to shine for Letran.
Great cross-court hit there with the help of a bit of the net.
Kaya nakita mo yung surprise sa mukha ni Martin dun sa celebration nila. Dolorito. Too strong for Jonah.
Attack goes out.
So Letran will grab the 5-point lead. That's right. Going into our second technical timeout. Magpapalik po kami.
Second technical timeout of
Ang unang pumapasok sa isipan pag NCAA ang napag-uusapan ay basketball. Pero kahit sa ibang larangan ng palakasan, lalaban pa rin ang NCAA. Tignan nyo ang tubong mapua na si chess grandmaster Eugene Torre na isa ng Hall of Famer. Ang taga-College of St. Benilde na season 92 men's volleyball champion at MVP na si John Vic de Guzman na nakapagkamit ng silver medal sa
Balik sa ating laban. It is Letran with a 5-point advantage and Yen Martin with, as Mel mentioned earlier, the help of the net. Bouncing it off just ever slightly and putting it in. Father Vic Calvo, Jr. OP, Mancom rep of Colegio de San Juan de Letran, watching intently here. Mamaya may katabi siya. Papakita natin maya-maya in the next break. But now we continue with the coverage. Mel, this is now a 5-point lead for the Lady Knights. Gusto nila itong tuloy-tuloyin against LPU. Yen Martin nakabuelo. Dolorito approaching. Easy up for Martin. Back to her. Power push. No. Jonah again. Yes! First point of Jonah Dolorito.
Jonah targeted the zone 1 first, pero sabi niya, nabantayan na siya, kaya yung corner pocket na yung tinarget niya, and she succeeded.
Nakita mo rin, hindi kinuha ng Letran kasi yung una niyang attempt, malakas.
Yes.
So, 12-16, Heart Bio is on deck to serve. This is a pass to Estrelier. Deflected, underhand setup. Malapit sa net. Muntik tumawid. Tuloy pa rin ang rally. Nitura, too strong on the swing. A rare error for Judel in the first set.
Judel wasn't able to adjust to that out-of-system play, and tinay niya pa rin ilong, pero too much power from her.
So LPU getting a couple of points after the break. Ito na sila, creating a mini run here. Gia, still a nice pass to Estrelier. Judel, bumawi! Yeah, look at this. Nitura saw red when she only had one player in front of her. 6 na puntos na para kay Nitura. Oh, nice serve. But Dolorito was there, and Hiro Osada on the quick attack.
Great connection there by Venice and Hiro. Look at that quick play, simple lang, and it went through the block.
14-17. Hindi pa tuluyang bumibitaw ang LPU. Mochilias. That one straight to Silva. Martin tries again, cutting through the defense.
Great leap there by Martin, and ibabaw siya sa mga blockers. Pababa na yung blockers, pero nandun pa rin siya sa ere, kaya great spike there from her.
Malinis yung view niya. At ito ang kagandahan sa Letran. Papasok pa lang ang leading scorer nila na si Vanessa Sari. Their rookie from Bicol. She'll be joined by Princess Tumaya, who was excellent against CAC.
Ang ganda din sa side ng Lady Knights kasi ang deep ng bench nila. And meron 4-6 na papalitan yung setter, papalitan yung opposite. And nag-iiba din yung laro, nag-iiba din yung timing ng mga spikers and blockers nila.
Yeah, eto. Si Gia Makilang yung inactivate ni Tumayaw. Another timeout for Coach Crom.
Pinapasaraduhan ko na yan. So, magiging itsura natin ito, tsaka ito. Kaya na itsura natin kasi meron naman tayo dito eh. Okay, kaya na niyang habulin yan. Pwede niya napuntahan niya pag magaan. Kasi ito, intact na ito. Ha? Kailangan makasa ulit tayo ha.
Isa lang. Hindi pa tapos. Buhay tayo.
This is the chairman of the Season 100 NCAA Management Committee from LPU, si Sir Hercules Calianta. And Sir Herc was watching for his team. Ano yung nasilip mo sa whiteboard ni Coach Crom? Nakita mo ba? Hindi ko nakita masyado.
Medyo malabo yung...
Oo nga. Kung nasilip natin yun, mabi-breakdown natin. Meantime, it continues here. Osada unable to convert. Guzman. That's better coverage from LPU. And it leads to a point for Dolorito.
Iba yung nagagawa sa puntos nila pag malakas yung palo nila sa side ng Lady Pirates. Kaya they need to maximize their net defense and their floor defense right now.
Jonah Dolorito with a couple of points here in the first. Sharp one unleashed. Osada is denied. That was Makilang right in front of her. This is a chance ball for Letran. Tumayaw. Papunta kay Makilang.
What a great patong play. Great combination play there for the Lady Knights. And hindi nabasa ng blocker.
Now serving, Marjorie Napa.
Binantayan nila si Napal.
Oo. Kumagat sila kay Napal eh. 5 points now for Makilang. Quick attack. Off the block for Hiromi Osada. So LPU will cut the lead down to 4, but this has been the trend. Palitan lang tayo dito.
Yes, and they've been struggling to get out of that yung 4 na lamang ng Lady Knights.
Yeah. Oh, Silva had to track that one down. Vanessa Sari.
Vanessa
Was there a
Sari
check? Uy!
tried to use the hands of the blocker.
Kasi sigurado siya na
So let's see.
may check. Oh, ito, first challenge today. And this is gonna be requested by Coach Oliver Almadro.
Point for Letran.
Hindi, umami na.
Now serving, Vanessa.
Okay, so 21-16. We have very honest players
Yes.
here in NC. This is probably like the 4th admission of fault I've seen. Oh, Joan Doguna. That's a good retaliation.
It's good na nasa frontline na ngayon si Joan Duguna kasi every time nasa frontline siya, umaangat yung pulos ng Lady Pirates. So, it's a good thing na during this time, nasa frontline siya. So, sana umangat pa yung puntos nila. And for the Lady Knights, just stick to their system. They're doing great. But unfortunately, they need to lessen that kind of error.
That's Venice Puzon in her element. Service ace. Coach O, pakinggan natin.
Hindi hinihintay mo yung bola dumating sa iyo eh. Ha? Ilang beses na yan? Tapos pag malayo, habulin mo bigla ng kamay mo. Di ano mangyayari? Eh, we have to do it right. We have to do it right. Ang importante, ang importante, aggressive sa resiban. Do it right. Don't wait for the ball. Puntahan mo yung bola.
Kaya!
Ay, pinapaiba ni Coach O yung diskarte nila sa pag-receive nitong mga serve ni Venice Puzon.
Like you've mentioned a while ago, pag si Venice nasa service line,
Aha.
kailangan talagang i-maximize yan ng Lady Pirates. And now Coach O, kanina, nire-remind niya yung players niya na kailangan nila ng isang magandang receive. Dahil pag hindi mangyari yun, makakahabol ang Lady Pirates sa kanila.
That's right. Tatlo na lang. Itong abante ng Letran. It's still Ming Puzon. On the serve. Wasn't bothered by the timeout. Makilang rises. And it is sent back by LPU.
Great timing there and great read. Look at that block. One hand block lang yun.
Si Hart Bio, yung nakakuha ng kill block. Ming serves again. Magandang bigay para kay Estrelier. Makilang overcooks it.
Too much power there from Gia Makilang, and now we're closing in. Now it's getting more exciting.
4-0 run for LPU.
Great effort there by Ming Ming.
Ito na, ito yung string of points pag nagsaserve si Ming. Nagawa ng paraan to. Judel! Much needed fire extinguisher for Letran.
Hindi pa nababasa ng Lady Pirates yung mga palo ni Judel so far. She's been doing great. All of their all of her cross courts and down the line hits.
7 points here in the first for Natura. Puzon. Backset papunta kay Doguna. That one was low. So Letran responds with 2 straight points. Na natin
Try
to.
to adjust that one. Masyado siyang nakaharap sa bola.
Wasn't the ideal set as well for Doguna.
Yeah.
Mochilias. Push doesn't work. Martin Abuelo.
Ooh! Martin tried to do a power dip, but she was unsuccessful.
Ito, nakagather na. Had to variate it.
And medyo over din kasi yung set sa kanya, kaya hindi siya nakapag-adjust.
So, 21-23. Joan with a nice serve. Ito yung back set. Papunta kay Judel Natura. Still unstoppable in the first. And now Letran is at set point.
Judel Natura is leading their offense. Grabe. 8 points na siya. First set pa lang.
On fire today. Puzon. Mochilias is not yet done.
Great, powerful cross-court hit there by Mochilias. Look at that jump. Ang ganda ng timing. It went through the block.
She has an interesting form. Yung mga lefty na ganyan, ano?
Oo. Ako, personally, tuwang-tuwa ako sa mga lefty.
Kasi ganda, no? Tsaka
Ganda.
unpredictable yung mga palo.
Ang ganda ng space niya sa bola.
Yeah. Oh, Natura!
Wow!
Oh, with the exclamation point here in the first set. 9 points for Judel. And she ends set number 1 for Letran. They take the 1-set-to-none lead, 25-22, when we return numbers and highlights of the first frame.